They don't explain very much, but number 4 is Sweden. 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 I think I saw it here. Sweden in Europe. Sweden. Here we go. Right here. Here is Sweden. Okay, here is Sweden. So here is Norway. Here is Sweden. Sweden. Okay. Okay, so this is Sweden. Their houses are very beautiful, and they do a lot of fishing. Okay, so their houses are right over the water. So yeah, in the morning you can just go on your boat and go fishing. So if you like fishing. So right now Sweden has a lot of money. So they have been working to change their country to be more beautiful, like Brazil. But it has always been a beautiful place. So this is Sweden. Let's see. And they said in their cities you can buy many high-class clothing, like LV or Coach. Those types, their cities have many places you can buy them. Okay, number 5 is Malawi. Malawi is in Africa. Africa. Let's see if I can find it. Let's see, I'll try to find it. Malawi. I found it. Okay. Here is Malawi. Here, Malawi. Okay. Oh no, here. This small country. Right here. This is Malawi. Okay. And so people go to Malawi to see elephants. In Malawi, they have a very big park to save the elephants and many other animals. Because in some places in Africa, they will be shot and killed just for fun. Like elephants, for a long time, people have used their tusks. So in Malawi, they protect them. Otherwise, they get killed. So Malawi is number 5. And Malawi right now is very safe. Many places in Africa are very dangerous, but Malawi is better, it's safer. 6. Mexico. Mexico. Their food, dancing, partying. People in Mexico are very lively. In Chinese, that is 活泼. Yeah, they're very outgoing, very lively. So Mexico is a very good place to go for food, for lots of different fun. Very beautiful place, and it's very big. Mexico is very big. Oops. So all of this is Mexico. This here is all Mexico. So it's a very fun place to go to. And their coast, this way and this way, is very pretty beaches. Beaches to go swimming or snorkeling. There's also, I'm trying to think, I was in Mexico 2 times. Because in the US is here and Mexico is here, so we can drive to Mexico. Yeah, so basically their food is really good, and they have their nightlife, so partying and dancing. They're all very fun, and their dancing is very beautiful. They dance very well. So we'll just stick with those for now, because otherwise too many. But 7 is, I've never heard of this country before. Seychelles? Seychelles? I have no idea where this is, but it looks very beautiful. I don't know where this is. Seychelles. Maybe a very small country. Very small. Number 8 is Belgium. 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 So here we go. Belgium. It's in Europe. Over this way. Let's see here. Belgium. Here. No, that's Belarus. Okay, well I'm not even gonna try because very confusing over here. But Belgium is over this way. It's in Europe. Okay? And then 9 is Macedonia. Macedonia, very beautiful. This one up here, Macedonia. Macedonia, somewhere over by Italy over there. Yeah, very beautiful. And then 10 is Malaysia. Malaysia, yeah. So, if you ever want to travel, you can visit those countries if you get a chance. Okay. So here are my silly killer whale. Okay, so here on the wall, here back here, we have many, many pictures. And sometimes pictures can tell us what country they're from. So let's try here. What is this one right here? China, right? Why do we know it's China? Because of the Great Wall, right? The Great Wall. What about here? Roma, because of the buildings, right? A long time ago, they built their buildings like this. Very beautiful. Let's try. Where's this? America, Hollywood, right? That's LA. And here. New York, right? That's Times Square. Okay, so we can see some pictures can tell us a little bit about where the country is. For example, this picture, what does it have? It has ocean and a beach, and look here, a reflection of a palm tree. So maybe it's somewhere warm. Maybe it's like an island or something. So that can tell us. Now here, I know where this is because of this. This says aloha. That is Hawaii. Aloha means hello in Hawaiian. It means hello. Aloha. And here is the US flag. Here. This one. Dubai, right? That beautiful, beautiful building. Let's see. This one up here. The one at the top. Okay, blue and white buildings near the ocean. What do you think? The top one there. Okay, this is Greece. 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 Next to Italy. Next to Italy. So Greece. They love to paint their buildings white and blue. And so maybe here is the ocean and here is the houses. They build their houses here. Yeah, they build their houses here and here's the ocean. So very beautiful. We'll do one one more. Let's see. This one. It looks like France, but I think this is Japan. Yeah, I think this is Tokyo, because the Eiffel Tower is skinnier. This one is wider because they have earthquakes, right? So they had to build it wider. Okay? So it's cool. I love to look at that wall because it has many cool pictures. I wish I could go to every country on the wall, but no money. Okay, so let's see here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 teams. Team 1, Team 2, and Team 3. Okay? Okay. Okay, so today in your teams, you are going to make your own country. You're going to make your own country. Okay? So pretend that right here, right, there's no countries. Okay, your country is here. Your country is here. Okay? So you have to think of your country. And your country, it needs here. What is the name? Okay, so you need to think of a name for your country. Okay, so think of a name. Okay, so it's none of these, none of these. Okay, so you are going to make your country. Your country. Okay, so if I made a country, I would name it Kiwi. I don't know. Kiwi or something. Okay, so you have to make your own country. And you have to think of a name for your country. How do you reach your country? How do you reach your country? By boat? Boat, okay, boat. By plane? Or by car? Okay? If your country is an island and all around is water, there's only 2 ways you can get there. By boat or by airplane. But if your country is next to other countries, you can drive, right? Okay, so how do you reach your country? Okay. Number 3. What do you see? Okay, so pretend. So let's say I travel to your country. I travel to your country and I close my eyes and I open my eyes in your country. What do I see? Okay? So maybe I travel to Japan and I take the plane, right? And I get to Japan and I walk out of the airport, right? The airport. And what is the first thing I see? The first thing I see. So when I go to your country, what is the first thing that I see out of the airport? Okay, the first thing I see. Okay, so I step out of the airport. Okay, the airport is behind me. I see something. I see your country. I also see people. What are the people in your country doing? What do they do? What are the people in your country doing? What do they do? Okay, and what is the weather like? Okay, so I go to your country. What is the weather like? Weather. So is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cold? Is it hot? What is the weather like? Okay? So let's start with these 5. Okay? Let's just start with these 5. So in your teams, I want you to think of a country. I want you to make your own country. So none of these countries, no. None of these countries. Make your own country. Okay? And it needs a name. Okay? And how do I go to your country? How do I go to your country? And when I go to your country, what do I see? Okay, what do I see? What are the people in your country doing? What are they doing? And what is the weather?